Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, let us do some addition in capacity. Right? Addition. Now, the sum I have for you is you're going to add 35 liters, 125 milliliters, okay, 125 milliliters, then 12 liters, 150 milliliters, and 22 liters and 125 milliliters. So we're going to add all this. How to arrange? That's our first thing. Okay, first of all, we must write down liters, milliliters. That we must put down first. Then arrange the numbers accordingly. Add 35 liters and 125 milliliters, 12 liters and 150 milliliters, 22 liters, 125 milliliters. So, first thing, arrange all of them. What are we doing? We are doing addition. So, put a nice sign for us to remember we are adding. Now, let's do the actual addition. Now, 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 5 is 10. So you put the 0 here, plus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10 again. Then you put the 0 here, plus 1 here. Then 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So we get 400 milliliters. Now we go to the liters. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Next we have 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have our answer is 69 liters, 400 milliliters. So what is our answer? Our answer is 69 liters, 400 milliliters. That's our answer. And let's work out one more sum together. Yes, I have here, next sum I have for you is 12 liters you're supposed to add. Okay, we are going to add 12 liters, 25 milliliters and 10 liters, 55 milliliters and 33 liters and 38 milliliters. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to arrange it according to liters and milliliters. That's the first thing we need to do. Okay, now let's arrange them accordingly. First, 12 liters, 25 milliliters. Next, 10 liters, 55 milliliters, and 33 liters, 38 milliliters. Alright, now we have arranged. What are we doing? We are doing addition, so put the addition sign to remind ourselves. Next, now we're going to add up all. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So you put plus 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay? 8 plus 3 is 11. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So you put 1 here. Carry over 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So what's your answer? Your answer is 56 liters. We get 56 liters and 18 milliliters. 56 liters, 18 milliliters is our answer. This is our answer. Alright? So we learn to add liters and milliliters and arranging in order we learn.